At number 3, we have the WORX WG163. The WORX WG163 is impressively lightweight at just 5.3 pounds, making it highly maneuverable for garden maintenance. This cordless string trimmer features a 20-volt PowerShare battery, ensuring extended runtime suitable for small to medium-sized gardens. Its cutting diameter is 12 inches, which allows for efficient trimming without needing multiple passes. The dual-line cutting system tackles thick grass and weeds effectively, while the automatic line feed system offers convenience by eliminating manual adjustments during use. Additionally, the telescopic shaft can be adjusted to suit various user heights, enhancing comfort and reducing physical strain. The quick release lever facilitates an easy switch between trimming and edging, streamlining garden tasks. Overall, the WORX WG163 combines functionality with user-friendly design, making it a practical choice for both casual gardeners and more dedicated landscaping enthusiasts.